I've given out my XRP strategy and what I plan to do quite frequently, right? Anytime that I add more XRP to my portfolio, I will tell you what my exit plan is and when I decide to sell, when I decide to hold it. And I don't want to really talk about that. What I really want to focus on is what the response is from others. Now, not saying like, oh, I'm feeding in the comment section and I'm going to do whatever they tell me to do. No, that's not the case. I want to talk about what they've said because many people, or not many people, but some people that I see in that comment section will say, "I'm diamond hands forever." Right? I will hold XRP until the day I die. Right? And I think that is something that might need to be explored a little bit more because for those people, I think you're holding XRP all wrong and we need to talk about it. If you guys could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you could check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. And if you guys want to sign up for Twitter or Patreon or follow me on Twitter or Patreon, feel free to do so. There's also a platform that I use. It's BTCC. If you guys are interested in it, it is a good trading platform that allows you to leverage trade outright, even demo trade. So if you guys are just interested in the crypto market but don't want to spend any money, you can jump over to the demo platform, learn how to trade, see if you can be profitable in your strategy, and then you can implement that into the real world by trading live. So if you sign up with my link, you can get a 10% deposit bonus on whatever you deposit. Um, Also, extra bonuses up to $10,055. Get up to 40% lower trading fees. And they have a giveaway going on. So if you sign up, deposit, and trade, it could be $50, right? Sign up, deposit 50, trade 10 or $20. You then are entered to win a 375 USDT giveaway. So feel free to check that out because that's free money. But it is a great platform. Feel free to check it out. It's in the comments or in the description below. Um, Now, when it comes to XRP, right, I've stated I have hundreds of thousands of XRP in my possession. XRP is currently standing at a $1.43 price. It is at an $88 billion market cap with $1.5 billion worth of volume. We're also seeing 524,000 holders with 61 approaching the 62 billion coin supply for circulation. Um, Now, I've been open, very open about what I hold. And because of that, I will say, this is my exit plan. This is when I decide to sell a position. And with that, you'll have a response from others that will say, I'm diamond hands forever. I'm never selling my XRP. And I think that is something, it's an asinine statement. I think it should be to where you focus in on what you can profit from it as you move along. And I notice that most of the time, when people are saying this, they only have, maybe they'll have 5 or 10,000 XRP, which is not a small amount, right? We're talking about, $10,000, right? We're talking about, $14,000 at the moment for 10,000 XRP. That's a lot of money. It's not hundreds of thousands or a million XRP, but it still is a decent amount. It's just not as much as some of the numbers that you see that are out here. And because of that, that may change their mindset. Like, I need to make as much as them. And I think you're holding it all wrong. I think you're thinking about it all wrong because you shouldn't be looking to say, I need to make as much as this person that has, 20 times as much as I do. That's crazy to say. You should be creating your own exit plan based on what you can gain, based on how much you have. Right? If you have 5,000 XRP, I wouldn't say you shoot for $50 million. Right? That's crazy to say. But what you can shoot for is, tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars and potentially have something left on the table for the long term. So for people that are saying I'm holding forever, that I have diamond hands, right? Diamond hands, XRP holder refers to maintaining a strong hold on their XRP holdings despite high volatility and significant price drops, and a trend recently highlighted by inflows into XRP investment products. Despite falling asset prices, this long term strategy often involves ignoring short term market noise, with some holding projections aiming for 2030. Now, I think as we look at that, there's a difference between the diamond hands that I see in the comment section than the diamond hands that we see as a definition. Diamond hands, again, means that you're holding despite of the volatility, despite of the price drops. You're remaining strong on this play to see your exit plan fully pan out. Now, I can say that I'm diamond hands because as I see the price move, it gets to a $3.65 price, it doesn't faze me, right? I'm invested into it for the long term, as well as seeing the short term prices, as well as seeing the ultra long term and forever within it. So while I'm holding, I expect to see XRP run to a $3 price point, $5 price point, $10 price point, $100 price point. As we see anything that happens in between there, I'm doing something different than some others, right? I'm selling and taking a profit on some of it. That's what my exit plan calls for. But some people's exit plan, or everybody, not everybody, somebody and a few people, right, in the comment section. Let's say it's 10 out of 100, right? So 10%. We'll say my exit plan is to hold forever. My exit plan is to see a $10,000 price point and only sell XRP at that level, which is crazy. You're telling me that you're holding 20,000 XRP and you go from being $1 per XRP to $10 or $20 per XRP and you're not doing anything with it? That's just crazy, right? You've made a massive profit. Take some of that profit. It doesn't mean that you have to take all of it. So if I had to bring my exit plan into this just to give you an understanding of how XRP should be held, my exit plan consists of this. I have hundreds of thousands of XRP. I plan on selling 25% of my XRP at $5. 25% of my XRP at $5. Right? That would be crazy to some because 25% of my XRP is a lot more than what other people may have. But then they get greedy and will say, you're holding your 10,000 or 20,000 until $100 or $1,000, right? I have 25% that's being sold here, 10% that's being sold here, another 20% that's being sold here. As I move along, I still have some left on the table and I still will be holding a certain amount of XRP forever. Right? I don't plan on ever selling it, but there is a large portion of what I own, over 90% of what I own, that's going to be sold before that forever moment hits. So I think, in my opinion, that you're holding XRP all wrong. Diamond hands doesn't mean that you just hold everything until a ridiculous number. It means that you hold through the volatility, you hold through the price drops so that you can get to the next bull market, the next altcoin season, the next price level that you want to accept. That's what I'm doing, and I'm technically diamond hands, but I don't even like to say it because everybody refers diamond hands to holding it until you die. And then even your children are diamond handing it. And that's not reality. When you see a ridiculous balance, it's okay to make a move. It really is. But it's also okay to hold some for the long term, for the ultra long term, for forever. But you don't have to hold all of it until forever. And don't let anybody tell you that you have to. We're retail investors for a reason, right? We don't know what XRP is going to do. We can say, hey, we believe XRP is going to be here, 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 and here, but it's not a guarantee at that moment. So I want to know what you guys think about this diamond hands phrase Yes. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC again and sign up, deposit, and trade to enter that giveaway, you can with the link at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.